Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where I'll explain how you can create checklists on Trello cards. Trello is a helpful tool for managing tasks, and checklists make it easier to break big tasks into smaller and simple steps. First, go to Trello.com and log into your account. If you're new or want a quick sign-in, you can use the Google sign-in option. Once you're logged in, open your Trello dashboard and choose the board where you want to add a checklist. Next, click on the card where you want to add the checklist. This will open the card details. On the right side, look for the checklist option under Add to Card and click on it. Now give your checklist a clear name that matches your task or project. After that, start typing the items or steps you want to add. Each item works like a small task that you can complete later. After typing an item, click Add to save it to the checklist. As you start working, you can mark items as done by clicking the checkboxes next to them. It's a nice way to track your progress and stay organized. You can also hide completed items to focus only on what is still left. And that's an easy way to keep your tasks organized and your workflow smooth using Trello checklists.